Hey, right now I'm in a dumpy motel, a Best Western. How do you like that ugly wall color? This has happened to me today, and you can't make this kind of stuff up. It's impossible. I have to tell people like Europeans ahead of time who don't know the company. It's called Safelite. They've always got commercials running, and what they do is they replace your windshield in case it's cracked or broken, and they got this nice little jingle, Safelite repair, Safelite replace. They're always bombing your TV set with their stupid commercials about repairing your windshield on your car in case it gets cracked or broken. So, just north of Atlanta, Georgia, driving down the road, a pebble gets shot out from the back of a huge semi-tractor trailer, and it takes a big hunk out of my windshield and cracks it. And guess what the semi-tractor trailer was that flipped the pebble and cracked my windshield? Yeah, it was a Safelite. Huge advertising all over the semi-tractor trailer. So the people that actually fix your windshield or replace it, they do both, are the same people that cracked my windshield. Let's see how that works. They fix them and replace them, but oh, in my case, they're also the same people that cracked it to begin with. Thank you, Safelite. You suck. You suck. I'll have the windshield replaced when I get home. I called my insurance agent and I told him that Safelite is the tractor trailer. There was nobody else around. It was a Safelite truck. They couldn't stop laughing. That's, yeah. Phew. By the way, I am never ever going to come or pass through Cordell, Georgia ever again. Never. A lot of bad things have happened to me since checking into the hotel here in Cordell, Georgia. Really strange. Bye. Catch you in Florida.